Here's how to turn likes off on Instagram. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide likes on Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just open up Instagram. And here, as you can see, I'm on Instagram right now. What you need to do is just basically go to your profile. Alright? Just basically press on your profile right over here. Once you do this, so I'm going to show you the first method on how you can turn off likes of your own posts. So nobody will be able to see your likes, or even you won't be able to check out likes. So how do you do that? So here, as you can see, I have a gameplay video right over here. So if I press on it, I can just basically turn off the likes. So here, as you can see, it shows 9 likes for me, but I can turn the likes count easily. You just gotta press on these 3 dots on the top of the video. Once you press on it, you'll see many options right over here, but you just gotta basically press on the option of hide likes. Once you do this, here, as you can see, the likes got hidden. So yeah, so now I'm gonna show you another method on how you can permanently hide likes on every post that you see. It's pretty simple. What you need to do is being simply on your profile, just like that, and then just basically press on these 3 horizontal lines on the corner. Once you press on them, you just gotta scroll down until you see something related to liking. And here, as you can see, on the what you see tab, and the last option you'll see, it says like and share counts. You just gotta press on that, and here it'll say hide like and share counts. You just gotta basically turn this option on. And if you go back, and here, as you can see, it might take a while to process it, but it'll just basically hide likes and share counts for you. So it might take 10 minutes or something to change the process, because you just gotta basically turn it on and off again just to see, and then you won't be able to see any likes. So here, as you can see, I can't see likes or share counts on any comments. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can turn likes off on Instagram or hide them. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and